Right. So, in today's session, we are going to discuss about architectural change management. Because as far as Togaf itself is concerned, whenever we are implementing Togaf framework in enterprise architecture, it's not only about architecture principles, architecture repository, architectural vision, all that. Final and major one of the component we need to understand about requirement management from ADM process, architectural development method process, is called architectural change management. Means what kind of changes we might require to make in the existing architecture we have developed, because architectures must be secure and confident in such a way. It should have a strong presence, but equally there must be some sort of feasibility, flexibility in terms of making some changes in the existing ones. Because we never know when customer requirements will change, right? So this can be happen sometimes in time to time. So it's always important for us to understand about how and what exactly the changes will happen, and what kind of changes when this is to be made. So in level to that, the as far as architectural change management itself is concerned, we have to develop a statement of architecture work, followed by this, whatever the compliances assessment is, what something we have to do with. Now, if you want to understand about statement of architecture work and all is concerned, the first we need to update all the required architecture frameworks and all that. So for that, it's always important for us to confirm the statement of architecture work, whatever is being taken here. That is something, one of the key element we have to be focused more on by understanding and developing compliance assessment standards, policies and procedures is what something we have to be focused more on. So when the confirmation of statement in reference to the architecture work, one where we are implementing, but also by conducting, by understanding about architectural vision, etc. If there is any kind of architecture work which we are able to change in context to the change management principles and practices, what we are implementing is what something we have to be performed here. Equally, whenever we want to develop compliance assessment based on the compliance standards, policies, and procedures, compliance assessment report as well as document should also be prepared equally. This is where generally architectural change management is one of the key and important component under the requirements management from ADM phases, in terms of the ADM phases, especially when we are implementing Togaf framework in enterprise architecture. This is all about the session. Exclusive, of course, this is a short session in reference to the architectural change management. If you have any questions, please post it in the chat box so that I'll reply you back. Thank you.